Dear students, how are you? I think you all are well by the grace of God. Now today I am going to discuss about the suggestion of SEC1 paper, and let's discuss and let's begin the suggestion. Okay, number one, discuss with examples different kinds of adverbial clauses in English. Okay, number two, discuss the varieties of present tense forms of verbs in English and show with example how they are used in sentences. Okay. Number three, show by giving specific examples how subordination and coordination are done in complex and compound sentences in English. Okay. Number four, discuss with examples different types of past tense in English language. These four questions are very important for this year. Okay, so you have to do immediately for your upcoming examination. And next question, do you think that the traditional method of second language teaching is still an effective one? Discuss in detail. Next, what is the audiolingual method of teaching? This question will come. Okay, 100% this question will come. What is the audiolingual method of teaching? And analyze its merits and demerits. Next question, explain how the use of technology can improve communicative competence at the undergraduate level. This question is also very important. Okay. Discuss the basic features of audiolingual method of English language teaching. Discuss the basic features of audiolingual method of English teaching. Okay, or English language teaching. This question must come. So you have to do this question immediately. If draft a job application, it's a very important question. Draft a job application for the position of assistant teacher addressed to the principal of a reputed English medium school in your locality. Attach a biodata in support of your application. It's very important. It must come. Okay, so you have to do it. Write a paragraph on uses and misuses of smartphones. Next part is very important. Just listen carefully and do this question immediately. Okay. Mention any two of the TLM, teaching learning materials, used in English language teaching. Next question, what are the thrust areas of grammar translation method of English language teaching? Identify any two demerits of communicative method of English language teaching or language teaching. Next question, differentiate between the past perfect tense and the simple past tense with suitable examples. What is co-joining? Next important question is what is co-joining and give an example. Next question, differentiate between subordination and coordination. It's very vital and very important question. So you have to do it immediately. Differentiate between subordination and coordination. Okay, with example you have to give the example. Okay, and give two qualities of a good listener. Give two qualities of a good listener. Next question, define with an example noun clause. Okay, give one example each of present indefinite and past perfect continuous tense. Next question, what is a non-finite clause? Give an example. Next question, what is active listening? What is inductive teaching? Okay, and after completing this question, you have to do practice regularly. Okay, thank you dear students. Best of luck for the examination. See you in the next class. Okay, bye.